Hi, I'm here to talk to you about how to properly load your HE washing machine. Now, a lot of YouTubers have been asking us questions about how to do this. Now, I'm not going to talk to you about how to sort your laundry by color or type, but it's just about loading. Loading is critical. So, what people are used to is just, dumping all your clothes in and not really even thinking about it. Well, HE washing machines, they're different. They use less water. Now, the best results are to make sure that your clothing is in loose heaps around the basket and fill it about halfway. You don't need to take them all the way up to the top. And this way, your clothes will get as clean as possible. Now, we're going to add some more clothes. And we're going to try to shove them all down in there. The clothes are so tightly packed that they will not be able to slosh around and get the detergent in between the clothes and actually get the clothes washed. This is one solid mass. This is not what you want. You want your clothing to be in loose heaps around the outside of the tub on the inside here. Loose heaps are best. But packing it in and getting as many clothes in there as possible is not the way to go with any washing machine. So remember, loose heaps around the drum and you'll be good to go with your new HE washing machine.